While mid-size sedans are more commonly overlooked in favor of crossovers these days, the family car segment is nonetheless filled with attractive and affordable options such as the Optima. Its handsome exterior is supplemented by several powertrains including a workaday base engine, 2 turbocharged versions, and 2 hybrid options. Every model is available with the latest active safety and infotainment features. In fact, the Kia suffers few negatives, other than having excellent competitors that have virtually perfected the family's sedan formula. Still, the Optima is an attractive, capable car that will satisfy most everybody looking for a mainstream sedan. High's attractive inside and out, spacious trunk, luxury of choice in powertrains. Low's ride, handling, and performance are merely average. Hybrids don't match rivals for efficiency. Verdict is an Optima for every palate, and each flavor has merit. But in this highly competitive class, it's still not the best. What's new for 2018? Kia sends the Optima into 2018 with minor updates, and several previously optional active safety features are now standard. A 7.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto also replaces the old 5.0-inch unit, which lacked smartphone integration. The rest of the lineup is reshuffled standard features. The SXL model has been discontinued. Its top-off-the-line features are now offered as a limited package on SX trims. The Optima also adds a new S model, which slots between the LX and LX 1.6T. This version wears sporty exterior bits and is available with a panoramic sunroof. The hybrid and plug-in hybrid only have minor color and trim combination changes. What was new for 2017? The Optima gained a new plug-in hybrid model for 2017, with 202 horsepower and an EPA-rated 29 miles of electrically range. The conventional hybrid model received a fresh powertrain, with a 2.0-litre engine replacing the outgoing 2.4-litre four-cylinder. Non-hybrid Optimas saw scant changes for 2017, with a mostly carry-over year following the car's total redesign in 2016. The minor tweaks included the availability of the driver convenience and convenience plus packages in the LX trim, which can add a 12-way power-adjustable driver's seat, blind spot monitoring, and rear parking sensors to the Optima's entry-level trim. A Premium Plus package for X models brought heated rear seats, automated emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Adaptive headlights became standard on SX models for 2017, as did 18-inch wheels. Trims and options. We'd choose the Optima is available in 5 distinct trims that range from the base LX $23,495 to the top-tier SX $31,495. In the middle is our choice, the LX 1.6T, which offers a 178 horsepower turbocharged 1.6-litre inline four matched with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. It offers a good mix of performance, efficiency, and affordability. That trim costs $25,295 and includes the following standard features: 7.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, power-adjustable front seats. While the LX trim is a good value, there are virtually no options to improve its active safety tech or interior features. More amenities become available on the next level X model. However, a fully loaded X costs $31,895, too rich for our tastes. The Optima's lineup includes a wide array of powertrains, and our opinions are as mixed as the order sheet. From the uninspired entry-level engine to the complex but ultimately unsatisfying hybrid powertrains to the pair of zippy turbo 4s, there's much to like and a little to complain about. What's new for 2018? The Optima carries the same powertrains into 2018. While Kia has announced that the sedan will use the same gasoline engines and automatic transmissions on the mildly refreshed 2019 model, it has not disclosed any powertrain changes for the hybrid or plug-in hybrid as of this writing. 2017 Kia Optima. The naturally aspirated 2.4-litre engine and 6-speed automatic transmission found in the Optima's LX and X trims make up a workaday powertrain, quick enough but sometimes slow to react to inputs and a little coarse when coaxed into its upper ranges. We much prefer the smoother, sharper, and quicker combination of the turbocharged 1.6-litre 4 and the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that represents the second rung in the Optima's powertrain ladder. The range-topping turbo 2.0-litre 4-cylinder is refined and pleasing but less powerful and significantly slower from 0 to 60 miles per hour than its direct competitors. Drivers who are concerned about fossil fuel consumption will be glad to learn of the Optima's two hybrid powertrains. One a conventional hybrid, the other a plug-in with an EPA-quoted 29 miles of range. Kia does an excellent job of making both hybrids feel like normal cars, so the unobservant passenger might never notice a difference between an Optima with an electric motor and one without. But neither eco-centric Optima can match its hybrid competitors for fuel economy, and buyers who prioritize efficiency above all else would do better to buy a car that was designed primarily with hybrid technology in mind. Kia and its sister company, Hyundai, have two excellent examples in the Niro and the Ioniq. Charging system. The Optima plug-in can charge at either a 120-volt or a 240-volt outlet. A full charge requires roughly 9 hours on standard 120-volt current and less than 3 hours on 240 volts. The Optima's lineup comprises 5 separate powertrains. All are passably efficient, and a few are real standouts, but the hybrid powertrain retested on our highway fuel loop failed to impress in real-world conditions. What's new for 2018? Since the Optima has the same set of hybrid and gasoline powertrains for 2018, we don't expect its real-world fuel economy to differ. That means the hybrid offerings are still unspectacular. 2017 Kia Optima. Kia's 2.4-litre engine pairs with a 6-speed automatic transmission and earns 36 miles per gallon on the highway in the base LX trim and 34 miles per gallon in the higher X trim, according to the EPA. The available turbocharged 1.6-litre inline four, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, is even thriftier. According to the EPA, it earns 37 miles per gallon on the highway and 28 miles per gallon in the city. Paradoxically, the Optima's hybrid and plug-in hybrid models are among its least impressive performers in fuel economy, at least compared with the competition. Both are estimated at or above 40 miles per gallon combined, but other hybrids, particularly the Hyundai Ioniq and the Toyota Prius, do much better, while the Chevrolet Volt nearly doubles the Optima plug-in's electric-only range. Electric-only range. The EPA estimates 29 miles of electric-only combined driving range for the Optima plug-in, and even with a fully charged battery pack, the gas engine will kick in above 75 miles per hour. It's nearly impossible to reach highway speeds without having the gasoline engine fire up. Anything but featherlight pressure on the accelerator will launch the Optima into its gas-electric hybrid mode, even if the driver has selected F mode via the button on the center console. During our winter test of the Optima plug-in, the car wouldn't operate in F mode for more than a few seconds while the heater was running, an engineering quirk that would make that feature irrelevant for practically half the year for many owners. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out-and-back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. In our highway testing, the plug-in Optima delivered 41 miles per gallon, underperforming its EPA highway estimate by 2 miles per gallon. An Optima with a top-trim turbocharged 2.0-litre engine earned 35 miles per gallon, an impressive result that beat its EPA estimate by 4 miles per gallon and tied a similarly equipped Honda Accord. Every car in this set except the Chevrolet Volt can cruise on the highway for longer than most drivers will want to travel without stopping, but the 2.0-litre Optima should be able to outlast all of them. Despite its many available powertrains and trim iterations, the Optima is a capable, polished automobile that stands up reasonably well to spirited driving. It's simply not on the same level as the best in this class, though. What's new for 2018? The Optima is mechanically unchanged for 2018, so its performance and driving character are unaffected. Those who prefer a sportier personality should see the new for 2018 Kia Stinger. Acceleration. Every Optima we've tested has delivered acceptable 0 to 60 mph acceleration times, but none have wooed us. The SX is the quickest Optima we've tested, and at 6.8 seconds to 60 miles per hour, it is more than a full second slower than a Honda Accord fitted with a similar powertrain. It's a bigger difference than you'd expect. While the Optima feels peppy, the Accord feels downright fast. The Accord's advantage shrinks when accelerating from 50 to 70 miles per hour, however, and we felt the Optima SX's performance was more than adequate in day-to-day driving, where few people demand full power acceleration from a standing start. The Optima's hybrid powertrains are more relaxed, and it takes a very light foot indeed to keep the plug-in model in F mode during acceleration. Although Kia claims it can drive on electric power alone all the way up to 75 miles per hour, ride, handling, and steering the Optima's ride is comfortable and controlled, even over challenging pavement. The 0.84 grams of lateral grip, a number that measures how well a vehicle holds the road, that we measured in an Optima SX, 0.81 grams in an X hybrid, proves that the Optima can deliver all the grip most drivers will demand from it. While we expect few drivers of mid-sized sedans to take their cars anywhere near their handling limits, it's worth noting that the Optima loses its composure a few ticks before the valedictorians in this class, including the Honda Accord and the Toyota Camry. Braking. Even super perceptive drivers might miss the shift from regenerative to friction braking in the Optima hybrids. This smooth transition is a goal many automakers strive for but rarely achieve, and it's one of several characteristics that help the Optima hybrids to feel virtually indistinguishable from non-hybrid cars.